Hello student, I am Amir, your points educator, and all of you know you have only 40 days left for CAT 2024 exam. So kindly do practice on arithmetic questions first. You can't skip arithmetic question over there. So here, 1 minute challenge for you and try to solve this question in less than 1 minute. So let's start.
Here is the question, and this is based on linear equation. Question say that if the cost of buying 7 apples, 12 bananas, 17 orange rupees 219, and the cost of buying 3 apples, 5 bananas and 7 orange is rupees 91, and you need to find out the cost of buying 1 apple, 1 banana and 1 orange. So basically this is a linear equation in 3 variables. And how do we calculate the cost of 1 apple, 1 banana and 1 orange? So how many variables you can see over here? There are 3 variables: cost of apple, cost of banana and cost of orange. Okay, so we need how many equations? We need 3 equations, but there are only 2 equations. So assume cost of 1 apple is A rupees. What is the cost of 7 apple? This is 7A. Similarly, cost of 1 banana is B, 12 banana 12B, cost of 1 orange is C, or you can assume whatever you want. C, I have assumed C here, so this is 17C and this is equals to 290. Similarly, cost of 3 apple, 5 banana and 7 orange, that is C, is 91, and you need to find out the cost of 1 apple, that is A, plus B, 1 banana and 1 orange, that is C. So here it is, A plus B plus C is question mark. How do we solve? We have only 2 equations. So you need to observe here 7, 12 and 17. The number given here is in AP. The difference 7 of 12 is 5, 12 and 17 is 5 also. Again here in second equation the difference is 2. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. And you need to multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 5. And now the equation becomes 14A, 24B and 34C equals to 219, just take double of it, 438. And then equation 2 is multiplied by 5, so it becomes 15A, 25B plus 35C, and 5 into 91, this is 455. Okay, now subtract this equation from this equation. You need to subtract like this. Now 15A minus 14A, this is A, 25B minus 24B, this is B, and 35C minus 34C, this is C. And again subtract here, 438 from 455, this is 17. So what should be the correct answer? Option number A. For more tips and tricks, just subscribe our channel. Thank you.